How to get and use Amazon Live Chat customer support. So if you want to get and use Amazon Live Chat customer support, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Amazon and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once done, you need to go with your top, and here you'll find an option of customer service. If not, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of customer service right here. You need to click on it. Next, you'll see various categories outlining the most common issues, such as orders, Prime membership inquiries, or many more like Prime membership, returns, refunds. Take a moment to select the category that best matches your concern. After selecting the relevant issue category, keep an eye out for prompts like contact us or need more help or chat with us. These options will guide you to Amazon's virtual assistant. So go with I need more help, and then as you can see that you will find two options, which is chat with us. Click on start chatting now. If it says available now, you can go and start chat. Or you also have an option of request a phone call. If it says available now, you can also request a phone call as well. Select the option and that's it. That's how you can get and use Amazon Live Chat customer support. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.